Looking for the perfect centerpiece for your Christmas table? Enter the Holiday Wreath Cake, an eye-catching delight that not only tastes amazing, but also brings the festive cheer right to your dining room. The joy of crafting it yourself is an added bonus. Stay tuned to learn how to create this beautiful holiday wreath cake. To start off, gather all the necessary ingredients. For our holiday wreath cake, you'll need a basic vanilla cake mix, butter, eggs, and milk for the cake itself. Don't forget the star of the show, our festive frosting. You'll need powdered sugar, butter, vanilla extract, and green food coloring. Once you've gathered your ingredients, bake the cake as per the instructions on the mix. While the cake is cooling, whip up the frosting until it's light and fluffy. Now that we have everything ready, we can begin the decorating process. The real magic begins with the decoration. Start by applying a smooth layer of frosting all over the cake. Next, let's create our festive wreath. Using a piping bag filled with green frosting, carefully pipe out leaf-like shapes around the edge of the cake. Now it's time to add some sparkle. Sprinkle some edible glitter over the green frosting. This will give our wreath a magical frost-kissed look. For the final touch, place sugar pearls strategically around the wreath to mimic berries. You can also add tiny fondant bows or stars for an extra festive touch. Don't be afraid to get creative and make this cake your own. And there you have it, a stunning holiday wreath cake. And voila! Your holiday wreath cake is ready to dazzle your Christmas table. The beauty of this process is in its simplicity and the joy it brings. From gathering your ingredients to the thrill of baking and the artistic flair of decorating, you've not just made a cake, you've crafted a centerpiece. A homemade gem that is sure to spark conversations and smiles at your festive gathering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more baking inspirations. Happy baking!